This is the update made to Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress, released on January 9, 2024. Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. Changelog. Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. Version 21.8. Changelog. Here is a detailed breakdown of the recent updates to the Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress, written from the perspective of a programming and development expert. Improvements. Improved integration with Elementor. Now, the results of the SEO, readability, and inclusive language analyses are highlighted directly within the Elementor editor. This allows users to visualize and optimize their content more efficiently without leaving the Elementor environment. Improved visibility of the AI Generator Tip Toaster. The AI Generator Tip Toaster, which offers AI-based suggestions, now remains visible until the user explicitly closes it. This ensures that users have access to Yoast SEO recommendations at all times, without accidentally losing them. Bug fixes. Exporting keyphrase scores. A bug that caused a fatal error when exporting keyphrase scores when additional keyphrases were stored in the database in a malformed way has been fixed. This ensures the stability and full functionality of the export function. Keyphrase distribution highlighting. A problem that prevented the correct highlighting of keyphrases when they contain different types of apostrophes in the keyphrase distribution assessment has been fixed. This improves the accuracy and clarity of the keyword analysis. Schema for variable price products. A bug that generated an invalid schema for variable price products created with easy digital downloads has been fixed. This ensures that search engines interpret the information about these products correctly, improving their visibility in search results. Yoast Table of Contents block. A problem that prevented editing posts when using the latest version of Gutenberg 1.7.3.0 in conjunction with the Yoast Table of Contents block has been fixed. This ensures compatibility between the two plugins and a smooth editing experience. Other changes. Minimum required version. The minimum required version of Yoast SEO has been increased to 21.8. This ensures that users have the latest improvements and bug fixes. In summary, this update to Yoast SEO offers significant improvements in integration with Elementor, visibility of AI suggestions, stability of the export of keyphrase scores, accuracy of keyphrase distribution highlighting, validity of the schema for variable price products, and compatibility with the latest version of Gutenberg. It is highly recommended that all Yoast SEO users update to benefit from these improvements and bug fixes. This is the changelog of Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. Version 21.8. Join our group and channel on Telegram. In the description of this video you have the links. These are our recommended videos today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.